Hi, I'm Jeff Wagner, Product Manager for the Laredo Division at Keystone RV. Today I'm here to focus on the travel trailer pass-through storage and the slam latch baggage doors that we put on every Laredo travel trailer. Check out this massive pass-through storage and this nice heavy-duty slam latch baggage door. As you can see, we have metal-on-metal contact, unlike our competitors that either have thumb latches or plastic hardware. Thanks for taking a minute to learn a little bit more about the Laredo travel trailer pass-through and slam latch baggage door system. For more information, log on to our website or see your local dealer.
Thanks for watching Keystone RV on YouTube. Like and share this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to our channel for the latest product updates and valuable service advice from the experts here at Keystone RV, keeping you camping through the long haul.